Okay, I'm Ramesh Gunawardena and I'm an architect. I've been teaching at Curtin College for about a year, but at Curtin University in the architecture school for about 5 years. Making the choice to do architecture school was based on more like what I thought I could do well, and I could draw well. I was very good at drawing. And then starting in industry, I graduated at a time when there wasn't much work on, so a friend of mine and myself started our own little company and we did house renovations. But then we had a boom in office buildings and suddenly companies were looking for work. Most of my life has been spent, most of my career has been spent in commercial buildings and in civic buildings, universities in particular. So I was working on university buildings for quite some time, laboratories, assembly buildings, classrooms, libraries, these sorts of things. So I've worked in central city stuff recently, Elizabeth Quay, and urban design with the government, and that was also very interesting. I teach a unit in thermal performance, which is software based, and I also teach in the Understanding Architecture program. Really our training is to try and find what we call agile solutions for the buildings of the future. We're really trying to create opportunities for students to be able to see what the profession's going to be like even in 5 years' time, because it's different now from what it was 5 years ago. And so the climate crisis and the pandemic are two big things that we teach in some of our units at Curtin College. The Pathway College framework, to come to a college like Curtin College, has real advantages because it means that you come into a university environment and you're taught by the same people that would teach you in the university on the same grounds, in the same campus. So all of the social, cultural and academic needs are taken care of within the same environment that we graduate students to. So I think that's the main advantage of this pathway.